Turo is a peer-to-peer car rental platform that allows car owners to earn money by renting out their cars to people who need a vehicle. It's a great way to generate some extra income and put your car to work when you're not using it. But getting paid using Turo can be a bit confusing, especially if you're new to the platform. So, let's dive into the process step by step. The first step to getting paid on Turo is to create an account and list your car on the platform. Turo has a simple and user-friendly listing process that guides you through the necessary steps to get your car ready for renters. You'll need to provide some basic information about your car, such as its make and model, year, and mileage, as well as upload some photos of your car. Once your car is listed, you'll start receiving booking requests from interested renters. When you receive a request, make sure to review it carefully, including the dates, rental duration, and the renter's driving record. You can also communicate with the renter through Turo's messaging system to ask any additional questions or provide specific instructions. Before approving a booking request, make sure to set a fair price that reflects the value of your car and market demand. Turo provides a pricing tool that helps you set the right price for your car based on factors such as location, make and model, and rental duration. You can also adjust the pricing manually if you prefer. Once you approve a booking request, it's time to prepare your car for the rental. Make sure your car is clean and well maintained, and consider providing some extra amenities such as phone chargers or GPS devices to make the rental experience more convenient for the renter. During the rental period, Turo provides insurance coverage for your vehicle that includes liability insurance and physical damage protection. This means that if your car is damaged or stolen during the rental, you're protected against financial loss. However, it's important to note that Turo's insurance coverage has some limitations and restrictions, so make sure to read the fine print carefully. After the rental period is over, Turo will process the payment and send it to your preferred payment method, which you set up in your account settings. Turo offers several payment options, including direct deposit, PayPal, and physical checks. Depending on the payment method you choose, you should receive your payment within a few days. It's worth noting that Turo takes a commission on each rental, which ranges from 10% to 35% depending on the level of insurance coverage you choose. This means that you'll receive a percentage of the rental fee, and Turo will keep the rest. In conclusion, Turo is a great platform for car owners who want to earn some extra cash by renting out their vehicle. With Turo's user-friendly listing process, insurance coverage, and simple payment system, it's a convenient and secure way to make money with your car. However, it's important to do your due diligence, read the fine print, and communicate with renters to ensure a smooth and successful rental experience.